that again.
Stop. Hold up.
Show your little body. Show them a little body thing. And Shorty got the fatty.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I will be doing something different. Guys, it will be about my eyes today. Yes. So today's video will be sponsored by Abeecons. Is it? I think that's how their name is pronounced. I will put their name on the screen so you guys know exactly how it's spelled. I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but I think it's pronounced Abeecons. So they pretty much sent me some contact lenses. So in the box they sent me four colors. So not 4 pairs, but 4 colors, and for each color they sent me 2 pairs. So I got 2 gray, 2 choco or choco, because I guess it's chocolate, 2 blues, and 2 browns. So they pretty much sent me 8 of these colors. Also they sent me some container pretty much to put your contacts in when you're done using them. Honestly guys, I haven't worn contacts in a long time, so hopefully it goes well. But yes, let's just jump right into this video. Yes, let's do that. Let's just jump right into this. But before we go into the video, I want to thank Abeecons for sending me these contact lenses and for sponsoring this video. Yes, let's just jump into this video. So firstly, I started off with my hands washed. Let me just say this: if you're turned off or you're freaked out by, you know, people's eyeballs and stuff, then this video is probably not for you. But yes, this video is probably not for you. I actually don't know if I will be putting it on camera or if I'm just gonna put them on and then show it to you how it looks, because honestly sometimes contacts can really give a lot of problems. But yes, they don't really send me any instructions or anything like that. The only thing that came in the packet was the lenses, so the contact lenses, and this kit thing. It's almost like a kit because it has like the holder, so you put your contacts in them, and it comes with these. So I'm guessing these, it's supposed to take them out of your eyes, I'm guessing. And they also sent these. I don't know what that's for. But guys, it's been a minute since I've worn contacts, and I'm just gonna be trying all 4. So I'm gonna show you guys what all 4 looks like. Okay, so I don't know if anybody knows, but like this is how they come in the container, and I'll be trying on the gray first. Guys, it's been a long time since I've worn contacts, so wish me luck. Oh, actually they actually sent me 4, so each box has its own. Yes, so 1 pair in one box, the next pair in the other box. Yep guys. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up for this part and then I'll take it down. Okay guys, so these are the gray ones, and honestly guys, I don't know if you can tell that my eyes are still red, because like I was literally fighting with these contacts. I can't even lie. Like at one point I was like, yo, I'm gonna throw this whole video away. But this is how the gray ones are looking. I can give you guys a close-up. Like I said, my eyes are red, so don't even come for me, because I know even my makeup was like messing up, but you know, it's whatever, it's whatever. So these are the gray ones. For these, I don't know, like I felt like the gray ones would have been a little bit more gray. I don't know, like I don't feel like it's gray. Like I've low-key, it looks like almost like blue to me. I don't know, maybe it's just my eyes. But yes, it looks, I don't know what's right here. Yeah, it looks more blue to me. I don't know, but these are the gray ones. So these are how the gray ones are looking. So if you're supposed to get the gray ones, this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna try on the next color. So these are the blue. Like I'm kind of low-key, I don't know, because I feel like the blue looks like the gray. Like I don't know, to me it looks the same. Like this is how the blue is looking. To me it looks the same, to be honest. To me it looks the exact same. So I'm not even sure what's happening, but this is the blue. So again, this is the blue. If you guys are supposed to order the blue ones and you have my skin tone, this is how it will look against your skin tone. I don't know, for some reason it looks like the gray to me, but I might be tripping. Maybe the contacts are blinding me. But these went in a little bit easier. I didn't really have much problem with it, so kudos to me. I realized I did not show you guys how I took out that one. So you can use the tool that they sent to you. So this thing right here is what you can use to take it out. So I'm just gonna put the mirror right here so you guys can see when I am actually taking them out. I feel like I look cute with this one, but again, it's giving me the same impact as the gray one, so I'm not sure. Like guys, I don't know. Like on my phone, this one looks more blue than on camera, so yeah, I don't know. On camera it looks like the gray ones, so I don't know. I really don't know. To me it looks like the gray ones, but when I take a picture, let me see if I can show you guys, but when I take a picture it shows blue. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I take them out. So this tool that they gave to you, you're able to use it, so pretty much just to pinch it out. So that's that. And it's done. So taking it out is not so hard. Honestly, I'm not sure if this was supposed to use to put it in and then this one take it out. I don't know, but I put it in with my fingers, so I don't know, that's what I'm used to. And yeah, but I'm guessing, I'm not sure what this is for, to be honest guys. And the paper did not say, they did not give me like any specific instructions to say this is what this is for. That didn't come with it. Yeah, so I pretty much just used my fingers. So I did gray and blue, so now I'm going to do Choco. Even though I feel like the Choco will look exactly like my eyes, because like maybe I'm gonna do the brown first. I'm gonna do the brown first and then I'll do the Choco after. So I pretty much take it out on my hands like this, and then I put it down here, then I just look around for it to go in. So and that's how it goes in, and then your eyes is going to have water, so and there. So I'm gonna put the next one in, and then I'll come back to do like the review on it and my thoughts pretty much. Okay guys, so this is supposed to be the brown. I don't know if this is brown but this is the brown. So if you're going to choose the brown one, this is how they will look. Honestly guys, I feel like the more you put them on, the easier it is to put on. Like the first one that I did, because I haven't worn contacts in probably like 5 years, maybe that's why the first one was a little bit hard for me to get in. But once I got it in, the second one was okay, the third one went in fine. Like I was even able to do it on camera. So I just feel like after a while, when you start doing them like more frequently, it'll be easier for you to put it in your eyes without getting your makeup messy and all of that. The first one was a disaster. Like it's not even showing on camera, but my makeup was like pretty much. But this is how the brown one is looking. And let me know down below which one you think will like look more suiting for my eyes and my skin tone. Like let me know down below in the comments box. This is the Choco or Choco, because I'm guessing they're saying chocolate, so Choco. This is how it's looking. I honestly thought it would have been more of like a dark brown, but because at first I was like, Choco, like brown, isn't it going to be like my eyes? Because I'm guessing like chocolate is dark, pretty much like my eye color. So I don't know, I guess I thought it would have been darker, but this is how it's looking. Let me give you guys a close-up. So yeah, for these, I don't know. It's whatever. I feel like I would more, or maybe not, like I don't know guys. Like honestly, I would love for you guys to tell me down below. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, I would love for you guys to tell me down below which you think suits me the best, because I'm like, I don't know. I think these are maybe after having them in for a while, it will start to like suit my skin tone. It's there. I don't know. It's there though. It's there. But yes, this is the last pair. Again, let me know what you thought about these contact lenses, and also which one you think will suit me the best. All the information for these will be down below in the description box. Hopefully there's a discount code. Don't quote me on it, I don't remember, but I think there's one. But everything will be down in the description box. If you guys want to order these, you can use the link in the description box. But for now, this is the end of this video. I want to once again thank Abeecons for sending me these contact lenses. At first I was fighting with them, but after, it's a breeze to put them on, and the tools that they sent was pretty much helpful especially in taking them out, because then you don't have to like be gripping your eyeballs. You can literally just use the tools that they give to you to take it out, and the edge of it has this covering, so it's not like poking out your eyes or like too sharp on the eyes. It's like a really soft rubbery material, so if you're supposed to put it in your eyes, it won't do any damage. But yes, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Todd, can you play that again?
Show your little body.